now our winter congress. We usually do it on either the weekend before the 1st of Advent or the 1st of Advent. It's always around that time. And this year it was menopause. Menopause, it was a wish, actually. I have a feeling, and I discuss it with the colleagues, and but very often it comes from students, from practitioners, and they say, we are so interested in menopause. Could you teach menopause, please? And so we thought, okay, let's do it. And more facets of menopause. So we have more facets this year. And we are a group of teachers, and we want to cover this subject in depth. Of course, I know that still, I think 85% of all practitioners are women, and many cross the border, so some come to yoga when they are 40, 45, and it is actually the moment when you probably have stopped thinking about becoming pregnant, and you are happy, or that this time is over, but then you face another time, and this is actually the inner growth. And the inner growth, that is also a duty for women, and this is why also menopause and andropause, both subjects will be there, because it is, we cannot say that we are forever young, so there is another order. So we have like biological rhythms in us, and we follow the biological rhythm, and especially the women, they stop. So a man can have children up to whatever. Yeah, virility stays 18, 90, what we hear. And but to be responsible for the next generation, I think the woman has an outstanding role, because she can become pregnant, yes, but she will also look after the next generation, to find out at a certain point that she withdraws or she is slowly pushed out of the story of the children, and they are grown up, and you come to that moment when the whole hormonal system changes, the mindset changes, the physiological body changes, and you come to that point of what is life now. And I think we want to answer this from the aspect of the physical body, of course, physiological body, then mental body. So understanding here more in depth than just giving sequences for what we did before, like pre-menopause and menopause, post-menopause, and you just go a little bit more from the normal physical state. Now we want to go a little deeper, and we will touch, of course, nutrition, anything. Yeah. So this is why we do it, and we are a team of people doing it, and you are really invited to come. And we have small slots. It is not that Rita teaches 3 hours and then another person quarter of an hour. No, we really have slots in it. Yeah. So this is the reason why. This is our normal so winter academy. Yeah, this is the normal winter academy seminar.